Fox Carolina Weather. Weather Rate certified most accurate local forecast.
The leftovers of Nicholas, that moisture is going to be rolling into our region starting today. Get ready for a few hit and miss showers, but more heavier rain will arrive tomorrow and Friday. So here's the latest on Nicholas. At this point, it's a tropical depression as the winds are at 35 miles per hour, moving east-northeast at 6 miles per hour. The pressure continues to rise, meaning that this storm is weakening, but still packing a punch, especially across the right side of the system. You can see Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama getting in on that heavy rainfall. It eventually is just going to stall out in Louisiana before it does dissipate by the weekend. But here's the bottom line on Nicholas. It's a slow moving system. So for folks in the deep south, they are really going to have to watch out for flooding. Those areas prone to flooding, and they are unfortunately going to be having some power outages for these next few days. I know Houston was out of power yesterday. Customers were. Well, that's going to be the case for today, too, just because they are dealing still with this system. Now, the good news is it's going to be out of here by late this week, early weekend. But for us, we will start to see some of that moisture rolling on in. Already seeing those clouds thickening up in our skies. Rain, though, not too far away. By this afternoon, get ready for a few of these hit and miss showers starting for the mountains as well as northeast Georgia. And then by about 3-4 o'clock this afternoon, they'll start to pop up in the upstate for today. Maybe a brief passing storm for the higher terrain, but overall, we should just see a few of these garden variety of showers. Now, approaching tomorrow, get ready for some heavier rain, and that's as the system moves a little bit closer into our region. We are going to see that rain not being a washout, but those hit and miss showers continuing for the day tomorrow as well as Friday, and the rain chances will slowly back off by the weekend, and we'll see a little bit more in terms of sunshine. But for today, it's just going to be those isolated showers, but more heavier rain will arrive tomorrow and Friday. So we could be looking anywhere from about a trace to a half an inch of rainfall totals in the mountains, and over an inch is likely at this point throughout the upstate. So especially for flood prone areas, we'll have to watch out for some localized flood concerns over the course of these next few days. So we're also monitoring a 70% chance of tropical development within this cluster of rain and thunderstorm activity in the Atlantic Basin. And this one has a 90% chance of forming into our next named storm system. And really at any moment, it could become Odette. That's the next name on the list. 85 for the high temperature today in the upstate with that chance of rain and perhaps a passing storm for the mountains today. Otherwise, we're just looking at some scattered rain. 80 for the high temperature there. Your 7-day forecast consisting of temperatures in the 80s for the upstate over these next several days. A little bit cooler, though, Thursday and Friday due to those clouds, those rain showers, and some storm potential. And then we'll start to see temperatures warming by the weekend.